Okay, I'm told this is an arithmetic sequence. They tell me the common difference. They tell me the eighth term. This problem's asking me to find the first term and then the sum of the first 50 terms. So this is a series, and this is just a value of the first term in the sequence. Now you certainly could take away seven, subtract seven, seven times and get the answer. We can also create the sequence. So a sub n equals the first term, which I don't know, plus the common difference times n minus 1. So now let's substitute in what we know. I know a sub 8 is 80. I don't know a sub 1. I know the common difference is 7, and I know 8 minus 1 will get me set up. So my only unknown is the first term. So that's going to be a sub 1 plus, well, let's see, that's 7. 7 times 7 is 49. So if we subtract 49, what is that? 31. So a sub 1 equals 31. And then so that's going to go here. Now to get the sum of the first 50 terms, I need to do a couple of things. I need to find here. Let me do some erasing. I'll go to the next slide. Okay, so I know the first term is 31. I don't know the last term. I do know there's 50 terms, and then divide by 2, right? That's the sum of an arithmetic series, that n times the first term plus the last term all over 2, n being the number of terms. So I need to find out the last term, the 50th term, so I'm looking for a sub 50. So we'll use that same formula we just created a minute ago. So 31 plus 7 times 50 minus 1. So it's 31 plus 7 times 49. And let's see, what is that? That's 350. If it was 50 minus 7, so I think that's 343. And plus 31, I'm going to add 31. That last term becomes 374. So then we're going to add. So what I've got here, let me make myself a little bit of space. So for those of you who want to finish seeing this worked out, I'm going to add those two numbers, and I'm going to get what, 405, is it? And then if I take, what I did is I divided 50 by 2 to get 25, and I multiplied 25 by 405, and I came up with let's see, what is it, 10,125. All right, so hopefully that helps you do the next set of your version of this question.